Kiroko kia umuthi mutengeri na Njorua watene wa ihenya ria mita 1500 Asbel Kiprop niacokerereirie mehariria kihaaro-ini gia Kipchoge county-ini ya Uasin Gishu na kuria anyitirwo ugeni ni atengeri na njira nene.
The feeling on track. I've done a mile at 3 times a mile and some 200 sessions, around 6 of them, and some straight, and I feel okay, the move is still there.
Kiprop ahingiirwo kunyita itemi mbitikaini oro ciothe na ni thutha wa kunyitikana ahuthirite ndawa cia kurirukia icoka, undu uria nginyagia umuthi areganite ni ekire mahitia macio.
I'm telling my fans I'm back. It's unfortunate what happened in the last 4 years, and it wasn't my mistake, and I will say I will have nothing to apologize in regards to that, because it wasn't my mistake. But what I'm telling them is that I am back. Hopefully wish me well so that I make you proud again.
Gukiri uguo Njorua uyu wa ukuru wa miaka 32 augite ndari arecurania kana ni agucenjia ihenya na gwa kahinda gaka aramurika mbitika cia borithi iria cikahanika mweri twerekeire wa gatatu.
What I am eyeing, the main event I am eyeing is the police championships on 6th of April, so that I can be able to earn myself a ticket to the national championships and be able to qualify for trials, and if I'm lucky enough to make the team for the world championships, I'll be able to represent Kenya at Oregon.
Kiprop niwe wari mukenya wa mbere kuhotana ihenya ria mita 1500 nguga ya dhahabu mbitikaini cia World Championships Daegu, South Korea mwaka wa 2011.
Kiprop is going to make it. He's got another 20 yards to go, but those long legs take him to the gold medal.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jesa Gukuria wa Gishimu.